If you've ever wondered where tequila comes from, it actually comes from this plant, an agave plant. The tequila is made by removing the heart of the plant and fermenting and distilling the juice. That juice is also called honey water. And the way you get that is you pull the plant out of the ground and a fruit comes out, or what they call the heart of the plant, also known as a pina, because it looks exactly like a pineapple. And that is what is usually roasted and baked to soften the fibers and release the juice that is used to create tequila. And don't think they throw out most parts of this plant, because the leaves are even used to create fiber or paper. But the best part is that this is used to make tequila, and they're everywhere in the US. One last thing that's so cool is that the agave plant starts to flower where a long stalk grows in the middle, and it kind of looks like a broccoli, but once the stalk grows, it usually marks the end of the mother plant's life. And even though the plant usually dies after the middle stalk is picked, or if it falls off, thousands of baby offspring survive and continue the cycle of the tequila agave plant life. But the flower stalk of the agave plant is edible, and it can be roasted and cooked into yummy hamburger-like patties, and it's also used as pretty good fire making material. Plus, it grows up to 30 feet tall, which is like 5 of me, and the yellow flowers grow that begin to produce seeds as well. Something really cool is that tequila must actually be made from at least 51% blue agave in order to be classified as tequila. If it's made from 100% blue agave, it's actually considered pure, or 100% agave tequila. And the way tequila is actually made is from a mixture of agave and then other sugars as well, known as mixto tequila. And making tequila is no joke. It takes ages, about 8 to 12 years to mature, and they can grow really, really big. As you can see, some of the plants even weigh up to 200 pounds. And in order to actually harvest the plant, you got to pull it out of the ground, get the pina, and to get it, you use a device called the koa to cut the leaves from the plant. There's such a long history of tequila in Mexico, and it's become obviously really popular all around the world. And the most tequila is produced in the state of Jalisco, Mexico. You can't actually pull these out of the ground yourself unless you own the plant on your own land. So I wasn't actually able to do anything with this plant like harvest it or make our own tequila, but I'm gonna try to find a farmer who has agave plants so that we can try to make our own tequila. And within the categories of tequila, there is blanco, which is white, joven, which is young, respado, which is rested, and añejo, which is aged. So there's lots of different types of tequila. And honestly, I just love the fact that it comes from a plant, so you know what that means. So y'all, moral of the story is tequila is a plant, and so it's okay to drink.